We've added a new option in our pocket operation to be able to recognize the floor fillets that we have in this pocket over here. If I were to go into this operation, you'll see that we have this face picked as the geometry, and along the top we have a tab called floor fillet. Now you'll also note that we have two options, one external to geometry and one internal to geometry. With external to geometry, by picking on that face, the fillet will automatically work external towards that geometry. Taking a look at the top view, you'll see that it's showing it external to the actual floor geometry. If we take a look at the tool pass, and I'll cut away the view so that you can see the tool pass over here, you'll note that the tool pass, as it gets to the corners, actually roughs out the geometry on those corners itself. Now, in the next operation, I've done this for a finish pass, and with the finish pass, I've just used the end mill that has the radius for that particular fillet that we have on the part. The geometry will work up until the wall, even though we didn't pick the wall. Let's take a look at the simulation, and this time we'll view it in Solid Verify. First of all, you can see the steps that were left over from the previous operation, and if I run this, you'll see that the fillet is done exactly the way it should be, using the geometry from the extension of the fillet that we've given it before.